Hello everyone. Mm, So I'm just gonna wait a little bit to let people turn in. Say hello and let me know if you can hear me. That would be great. We're gonna go through So I see people turning in, so that's great. We're gonna go through some. We're gonna start actually with the daily on BTC. Just if anybody can confirm that they can hear me and everything is alright, then that would be great, to be honest. Hello, hello. Okay, so I think people can hear me right now, or the people would say that already. So we're gonna start with the daily right here, and I'm gonna mark some key levels which are important for me, and that are these are this one here. So actually the all-time high. Then we have all those lows here, and like this one here, and this one here. Okay. And why am I actually marking this these levels here? Is actually because it's always. Oh, and actually this one here also. It's important to mark some key levels, as we always know the liquidity is most of the times sitting on those wicks. So you would like to see actually something like this, or like this. So always waiting to see those wicks to get swept is always the safest play, and then actually waiting for the lower time confirmations. Okay, so for now, as we are actually pretty close, and I'm gonna show it on the lower time frame, we actually can see like, for example, I think this one, I'll delete this here. The thing is, you can clearly see that we are having here again this high here. This equal high is actually sitting here, and we kept front running it. So in most cases, okay. So in most cases, people would, for example, maybe try to short this like this, and targeting maybe this here, and what does that mean is you will definitely would have a lot of liquidity sitting here, okay? And that's why I wouldn't try to I won't open any positions right here, okay? It wouldn't make much sense in my opinion. And because we are actually sitting in between this range here, right? So I would try to long this here, and I would short this if we get it like this here, but not, I wouldn't open any positions right here right now, okay? And just actually patiently waiting to get something like this, and then waiting the reaction, okay? And if we would get like this, I definitely long it, but we actually got actually front run yesterday on that one, okay? But besides that, yeah, we have some key levels, like I said, on the daily, and always waiting for those levels to get swept, and before I enter any positions. That's for sure. And we can have also a look on the daily on BTC. And on the daily, we can see actually something like this. So we have this low here also. And we have this here. Oh, that's not, oh, that's not the daily right here. It's taking a little time here. Okay, finally. So I have sometimes bad internet, so it takes sometimes a bit longer than usually. So on the daily we have actually we have this here, we have this, and yeah, so ETH is actually looking less beautiful than I would than BTC is looking. As we can see, actually we are here sitting just in the middle of this here and this here, right? So it should go both way, and you no way you can actually try to trade this, okay? It's just not tradable for me till we actually choose a side here, okay? And yeah, that's actually for ETH the same, right? That's actually the reason why I don't want to sit in too much positions, but we can actually, yeah, watch a lot of altcoins on the weekly time frame, right? So because they are looking pretty good, to be honest, they are looking great, and the only thing we have to wait for is actually, yeah, getting that confirmation that we actually going to bounce back, okay? And that's the thing we actually have to, yeah, to wait for. Okay, this is awful actually, because it's taking a lot of time. Wow. Yeah, my internet is not working very fine just today. So I have now to delete those key levels here. Man, it's So the thing I'm waiting for ETH is actually hmm, okay. So now it's backloading. I actually never had this before, but we actually can't do much about it, I think, as we are live streaming just now. So I have some few levels which I'm interested in on ETH, for example, and I'm gonna show them here with you guys here. So if I pull this low here, if I pull this low, pull this high here, we can actually see like and we have this equal lows here. I would be interested to actually see if we can get those lows swept, okay? And the same actually applies here on this one here, and yeah, this low here is interesting, and this low here also, because this wick is hanging right here, right? But yeah, to be honest, not much to say about ETH and BTC. Just would wait to let the liquidity build up and then actually choose a side here, which is actually a pretty wide range. So yeah, I wouldn't open a position right here. So that's actually the only thing I want to say. But on the altcoins, we're actually seeing a lot of good stuff, like this one I shared a few days ago. I'm not sure if anybody took it because I got I think like 7 likes on I got like 7 likes on that one, but it's actually moving pretty nicely. Yeah, almost 70%, I think. And yeah, the liquidity is definitely sitting higher, and with this weekly candle you can definitely expect a little bit more. So yeah, beside that, if you didn't long if you didn't buy spot right here, I wouldn't touch it anymore, okay? But it was a good spot. Good spot down there to actually buy some spots. And the thing about a lot of coins is they are looking all the same, right? I have been talking in the latest live stream about this, and we can clearly see a lot of altcoins we are actually testing the same. The previous, like for example, previous high, and we have there on most of the altcoins we're actually having there an imbalance there, and yeah, which line perfectly with the gold pocket, okay. So yeah, not looking that bad if you're looking to build some spot position, I think, right? So the thing is, people will wait. We will be sitting here. We have been sitting here for let's say one almost 1 month ago, and they will wait for the dip to come. Then actually, when it comes to like a 30% dip, and people will still still wait for a little bit lower. So still, yeah, still wait for the call. So, just feel free to drop actually some tickets you want me to. So yeah, hello Ahmed. Um, I got here a question from Valkalone. BTC Diamonds is ready to rip off. Yeah, I gonna actually watch BTC Diamonds and try to find where is it? BTC. Yeah, BTC Diamonds looks. This looks so strong, man. Wow. Yeah, you can actually. Is actually a great comment from. Yeah, it looks. It looks bullish. It looks amazing for more upsides. And I had shared this chart actually a very long time ago, and I think we won't have off season till we get something like this. Okay. And that's actually why the altcoins are all just with every dump we actually also actually having a hard time to stay alive. So actually a great point to probably we will just try to run these levels here. So and then ultimate I would say maybe this year. This after the tapping into this area, I think I will definitely just have like a normal all season we actually had in 2021, right? So all those uh, alt pumps we actually had was not much. It was actually just this year, or was just this year. So or actually this year. So all those bounces were actually just this one here. And what we actually want to see, if you want a real good alt season, is actually we want to see something like maybe this, right? So that's the moment when you actually would would actually have a lot of fun with alts. And now actually the show is stolen by BTC. So so it's yeah, like yeah, so alts having a very hard time. So that's actually true to point out. I got here a request to watch out, to have a look into near. So I'm gonna do that. On near here. What is going on here? Close and save. Pre-April. I'm gonna delete this one here. No. Yeah, actually, if I look at this, it's not looking it's not looking that bad. Okay. Am I still live or? The link is not. So yeah, I just wasn't sure if I was still live because I got an alert on my I got an alert on my phone that the live stream ended. But yeah, I think for Nier, I would like to see this reaction here. Okay. So sweeping this low here and waiting to get some lower time frame confirmations. Okay. And that would definitely be a place where I would like to be interacted. So it's not looking that bad, right? So we got swept this low here. So we swept this low. We bought higher highs here. And if you look for a bit lower time frame entries, I would just wait for this here, and then looking to find a higher high forming on the lower time frame, so we can look to long there. Okay. Just let me know if you if this helped you out a little, and so I'm gonna delete this here. Yeah, I'm really have to. I'm really having here a hard time actually to work on this as my laptop. I mean, my internet is actually lacking a lot right now. So I'm gonna have a look on Dogecoin as well, as I got here a request. Yeah, we actually can see like we got the same on Dogecoin, right? So we got I was talking about this on the last live stream, where someone else actually asked me about Dogecoin. So I was waiting for the gold pockets on higher time frame. It even made sense to sweep this frame is it actually makes sense to sweep all of this here and then actually go higher, okay? But on lower time frame, I would like to maybe to see something like this here. So aiming for this here, aiming to see if we can sweep it once more. As long as BTC actually looks doesn't has a clean direction, I would definitely just wait for lower targets, right? So okay, and we have actually here also one great. We actually have a great place here also, where I'm gonna do this one here, which actually lining up with this imbalance here with below here. So it would make sense to sweep this here also, or this here, or this here. So I would like to work with, like always, I always work with level by level. So there's no point to watch one level only if you can have a lot of levels. You have here. So you see, you actually have like 3 levels I would like to get interacted in. So I would just patiently wait to see if we can get a reaction there. Or actually see a reclaim of those highs. So like for example, you can always have a place where you just keep grinding higher. So something like this is also possible, of course. And yeah, let me check. So stay full. So I got a few requests as well here, and I have Ina. Let me see this one. I never heard about it, but we can look at it. Let me see. What is this? Oh, is this the coin you are asking me about? Ina. Yeah, this doesn't have much data, so when did it launch on Binance? To April. Yeah, it's actually a hard one because we don't have much data on Binance, and after such a launch, so yeah, it did a 4x, like less than 2 weeks. So yeah. I think a lot of people seeing me work would say, this thing doesn't work. This is just stupid trend line, okay? But actually, it makes sense after all, because you can see price actually struggling to go higher, okay? Just grinding up, and after sitting here in this tight range, you can clearly see we are actually breaking some highs here and there. So we'll actually just wait and work level by level. But like I said in the beginning, we actually don't have much data on this one, so I don't know if you can, how you would trade this. You would definitely just have to wait for this. Oh, okay. So you would definitely just wait for this here to get swept, this here to get swept, this here to get swept, and ultimately, I would wait to get something like this. Yeah, but like I said, it's just I wouldn't trade this only if it's a good project, like then yeah, waiting for the dips to load on my bags, spot bags, for example. But that's actually yeah, what I have to say about ANA, about this coin here. So so the last request, DeFi. So let's have a look here. Can we just have a better chart than this? Because we might have what the fuck is this, man? Shit is just dying, man. I don't know, like this is the same example we have. Oh, you want me to look at, yeah, I mean this one. Oh wait, yeah, but we don't have that. We don't have that on Binance, right? Oh, that's this one here, right? No. Oh, okay. Now I see what it did. Wait seconds. Yeah, okay. I got this one here. Let me see. Gonna do this away. Oh yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Why I am struggling like this? Okay, let's go. This one here, DeFi. Oh, you're talking about this one, right? Okay. And you want me total DeFi market cap? Yeah, okay. Yeah, and let's put this down here. Interesting. I'm gonna just mark a few weekly. Sorry. I'm gonna just mark a few key levels right here. You have this here. Yeah, it isn't looking that bad. It isn't looking that bad in my opinion. I mean on the higher time frame, okay. Let me see here quickly. As we have this R block here, who got tapped, we bounced hard, and then we came actually below it, traded below, swept this low here, right? So we swept it, then came above this high here, came back to build some support here, and then made again actually a higher high, and yeah, it isn't looking maybe that bad, but of course is a weekly right here, so on the weekly you have still a lot of yeah, you can still would say maybe we get one level tap, like for example. So but yeah, I'm not really into that DeFi all the things. I just work with. Oh, it's actually going down. What happened here, man? Okay, now I am actually happy I closed my long on FET. Just yesterday after we were barely like here, and it was just taking just too long. It was just everything looks perfect to me, right? And that's why I actually wanted to do this this live stream mainly, as I think just trading in this time is very hard, okay? Because you can see if we swap these lows here, and we got this market structure, so we broke the bearish market, so we broke this downtrend, let's say, and we came just back to actually flip this resistance into support. And in that case you would like to see a fast move, right? So you would like to see I'm gonna just do this height a little bit, this one here. What would you see if you really want to see continuation? You would see this here, immediately reclaim it, reclaim this R block here, reclaim, and I keep reclaiming levels, going higher and higher, and then tapping your TP here. And that's what we didn't see. So I've been trading for like 2 years now, and this is not This is not what you want to see. Really, this is not what you want to see if you are bullish, okay? And I watched on I watched actually on the higher time frame. Let me see if I can find it. I actually shared fetch wait a second. So actually I talked about fetch on my oh wait a second. So I talked about fetch on my Twitter a few days, I mean like a half month ago, and as we were sitting on this highs here, okay, and I actually said like I was not very correct on my previous approach, but actually after sweeping this highs here, I was waiting for a pullback, okay, and where would I like to see the pullback is I'm gonna show that on my chart right now. So I'm just gonna hide a second. So if I open on the 4-hour the chart again, we actually clearly seeing that we are just going down, okay, so still no trade at all. So in that case you would like to see this high to get reclaimed and then go higher and go higher, but it's just going down here. So yeah, wouldn't touch it till we clearly can see some straight on the general market. That's why I actually lately have been very fast into closing my positions, right? So you don't want to be in this position right here. You had a lot of time to get out, and especially as we had a great entry, right? So we got a great entry on that one, and you had a lot of time to get out. Like I think it was actually like 12 hours to get out without any loss. And yeah, why wouldn't you take that? Okay, because if you don't like direction, guys, you get out. As much as I want this move here, it was looking that great. Okay, so what would I think is next is actually, because we are just grinding lower, I would at least wait for this low to get swept again, and then waiting to get this high here reclaimed. So yeah, always just as long as the market grinds lower and lower, I would be very careful with my positions. That's actually the thing what I want to say. And the same actually happened. Which time frame did I share it? Yeah, the same actually happened on this one here, and I canceled it also around break even, right? Again, because I didn't like the reaction. So like you see, we were just sitting here at the time, and I actually closed it again around break even, and as you see, yeah, we just having this we just keep grinding lower and lower. So you just don't want to sit here in this position. If you are just If you're just trading, I mean, if future trading, I don't allow myself to be a negative. Okay, so I won't allow myself to even if if I don't get stop loss, so we still can actually, for example, we just gonna, let's say we still now recover and we go again into my TP. I don't care, right? I don't care because I don't want to stay for hours in this shit here. I really don't want that. I want, if I long, I want immediately a reaction, a reclaim. I put stop loss at entry after this reclaim here, and I'm gone. I don't want, yeah, I wouldn't care. Because we had a lot, greater times. It wasn't even that far away, right? So we had, oh, wait a second. We had a lot of great setups forming just before this year, okay? Like, I had a very good one. I think a great example I had also shared on my Twitter, and this is what I actually mean with this is the one I am actually talking about. So this is actually an example you want to see, right? So I longed into this one. It was when was it? January. I longed this, and it was immediately, even before I actually had the time to share it, it actually, like, it bounced here anywhere. So it was, this is what I want to see. It's really what I want to see. So we swept this low here, we grind up, we came back, we swept this low again, and we just kept grinding higher. So in the end, we had like almost 100% move. And then you have something like this, which also makes sense, like if you longed, like, for example, this here, and you had actually also a let me, like, oh, so you had something like that. There's something with my voice, I think. Like you had this move here, right? So you had this move here, and you had a lot of time to actually get out at break even, and that's not something we are actually seeing here. So I mean, not on the not on this, and especially not on, where is it, and right? So we barely got a bounce. We barely got a bounce to get to at least try to play it safe. So yeah, that's actually the thing which is dangerous, to try to hold positions, to let things play out, because most of the time when things are going great, you would just close it too early and it would bounce anyway. So, but it's not the time where I would do that, and that's actually why I am very careful with that. But let me see. I have now a few comments. What are you long? So I got a good question here, actually. So TTT asked me, what are your view long term? How high do you think BTC goes, and how long term do you think bull run lasts? And there's actually something which I can't answer that, okay? It's unbelievable. I am not long enough in this market to try to say that, but I think a lot of great analysts are are great with that, and yeah, I don't have my skill to try to predict those things, as I'm actually just I'm more based on the data, and if you want to predict or try to have an idea where the price would go, you would need to have to watch into all history, to watch how the BTC reacted back then and how those bull run returns were in before. And this thing I didn't have actually had good time in it, so I'm more of a trader. So I don't care if the BTC goes to here or it goes to 20k or something, right? So I'm more I buy spots when I feel right, and I mostly just try to trade. So that's actually my point of view, or how I actually approach the market. So yeah, and especially with the halving, I think it's not more than maybe 12 days or something, and yeah, I never been in a halving in my life, so yeah, wouldn't say anything about it either. So but yeah, we actually been talking for I think for almost 1 hour, right? It's more than long enough, I think. We had a great time here. We have been talking a lot of stuff here. I hope you all enjoyed, and please smash a like. Don't forget to, if you like, trade on via under my ref links on Woo or on Bingx, as actually you would help me a lot out. So and we actually have a campaign on Woo. If you sign up under my link, you would actually get you can actually win a MacBook Pro. It's like the 24th of this month, which is actually easy if you just sign up, deposit some money, and actually try to try to trade with me, and you just might win a MacBook Pro. So it's actually free money, and I can't. If you just want to make money in this range, why not win MacBook Pro? So I wouldn't understand why people won't do that. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. I wish you all a great day, and until the next time, bye bye.